Senator Antonio Trillanes is warning presumptive President-elect Rodrigo Duterte an impeachment complaint if he insists after he assumes office on June 30 that the Philippines has already lost its claim over Scarborough Shoal. Trillanes insisted that the Philippines still owns the controversial shoal in the West Philippine Sea, citing media transcripts of hearings conducted by the Senate Committee on National Defense. Trillanes is the chair of the said Senate Committee.
Ginawa niya yan, that's an impeachable offense. Pagka umupo siya on June 30 at sabihin niya na we have lost Scarborough, that's already a basis for an impeachment complaint. So my advice to presumptive President Duterte, antayin niya munang umupo siya sa Malacanang sa June 30, magpa-brief muna siya sa mga senior officials niya para hindi siya masusunog. Masusunog siya dito. Unless nga ang intention niya rito ay nagpapauna na. At pagka ibinigay niya ito sa China, he would be violating provisions of the Constitution.
Now, Trillanes said it is dangerous for the presumptive president-elect to say that China has taken control of Scarborough because it was like giving Beijing the license to build structures on it. Hours after the senators' conference, Duterte said he was curious to know how the Philippines lost the shoal located at the West Philippine Sea after Trillanes held back-channel talks with Chinese officials. Duterte and his camp filed treason and espionage against President Aquino and Senator Antonio Trillanes. The camp of Duterte said that Aquino and Trillanes, by undertaking back-channel talks with China, only advanced the interests of China. The complaint said that Senator Trillanes met with the Chinese 16 times and he requested that the meeting to be secret.
Kasi noong mga panahon na yon, naggigirian na yung mga barko ng Pilipinas at China at maaring mapunta sa putukan. Hindi namin pinag-usapan yung sovereignty claims. So nagawa ko yung aking misyon, napahupa intensyon, kaya nga walang reclamation dyan at wala ring girian ng mga barko.